Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.9. So the question is integral of e power x into log x plus 1 by x dx. Now this is of the form integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So this is equal to e power x f of x plus c, of course. So first let's understand this particular formula. So it says that e power x into, say let's assume one function is f of x, then plus f dash of x means it's a differentiation of this particular function f of x dx. Then if this is the input, then the formula says that after integration it will become e power x into f of x. So now let's compare into this particular formula. So e power x outside, that remains to be the same. So here f of x, if we mark this as log x, so we do see that f dash of x is nothing but 1 by x, and that is what is here. So this exactly matches to the formula. So here f of x is log x and this e power x is there. So we will substitute in the formula. So the final answer is going to be e power x into f of x is log x. So I am writing e power x log x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.